Hi! Tonight's review is going to be NARS eyeshadows. And before I get started, I just want to say that there are going to be swatches of each one that I use at the end of the video in photograph form. So I'm not going to be swatching them during the video to save time. NARS eyeshadows come in two formats: duos and single shade pans. They are anywhere from $22.50 to around $32.50 US dollars, depending on if you get the singles or the duos, because, well, for a couple reasons. Number one, you get more pigment in a MAC eyeshadow per square inch, or in a NARS eyeshadow, excuse me, than you do with a MAC eyeshadow. So here's the NARS, right? And here's MAC. You can see how much bigger the NARS one is. The pigment is also just better. It's a higher quality pigment. It's more tenacious. It's brighter. It stays on the skin better, as I'm going to show you. This is Mediterranean. It's a gorgeous orange gold eyeshadow. It's one of my all-time favorites. And when I just dip my finger in it and rub it on my hand, you can see how bright that is. Okay, so when you're, spending, this was around $30 at the time I got it, and it's since gone up because I've had this for a few years, you are getting an extremely high quality, vibrant pigment. And NARS eyeshadow comes in a lot of very exciting, unusual colors. So I would go to NARS, for those unusual colors and get everything else from, say, MAC. Not that MAC doesn't have unusual colors, but it's just that some of the things that you find at NARS really I haven't seen anywhere else. Like this gold, rust, orange color. I have three NARS eyeshadows. Mediterranean, which I just showed you. This is Sugarland, which is another color that has like a gold reflect to it. And Night Flight. And this is really cool. This is my favorite one. I hope you can see it. I hope the light in here is good enough. Night Flight is a black eyeshadow with blue glitter reflect particles. But they're dark blue. They're not like neon. So when you put it on, the blue really shows up. So it's almost like taking Carbon by MAC and putting Reflects blue glitter over it. The blue is really sparkly. I hope you can see that. Again, I'm going to swatch everything I'm using and photograph it for you afterwards so you can see what I'm talking about, because I'm really excited about these colors. I really like the packaging a lot. Both the duos and the singles come with mirrors, and they're nice and big. So if you're throwing this in your makeup bag, you don't need to bring another mirror. They don't come with brushes, but that's okay, because no one really uses the brushes that come with eyeshadow compacts anyway. The packaging itself is it's like a plastic, I guess it's a plastic, I don't really know what kind of material to call this. Like, it almost feels rubbery. It's hard, but it's got a very smooth surface. It almost has a little give to it. The only thing I don't like about that is that it gets dirty. It kind of absorbs colors, like if you have any blush that leaks in your makeup bag or any sparkles, that's what happens. So you can see this is a new one. I got this yesterday, and this is what will happen to it. It gets just kind of a little schmutzy. I suppose if you're keeping this at home, if you don't travel with it a lot, or if you keep everything really, really neat and clean, it won't be a problem for you, and it doesn't matter, but I just like things to look nice. So, I'm trying to think of what else to say about these. I think for the quality of product that you're getting, I think that the price is fair. You don't use a lot of pigment. They will last for a very long time. They have no scent. The texture is extremely fine. It's easy to work with. But you just want to, keep your eye on the collection, see what you like, see what you think is different that you can't get anywhere else, and then spend your money on that. Because when you're getting NARS, you're getting a product that is on the level with Chanel, in terms of, in my opinion anyway, being some of the finest cosmetics that you can buy anywhere. And so you are going to pay more for it, but the color payoff is just so amazing on these eyeshadows. I really hope that the photographs I'm about to take are really going to do them justice. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.